Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Right. Hello again everybody, welcome back. Today I'm right now actually, I'm going to Central Plaza to meet my missus. She's been working all day. And I've had a few comments recently, not so much about my content, but about the sound. And I can't thank you guys enough for that. So I'm actually meeting her at Central Plaza right now, and hopefully I'm going to be able to improve the situation. I'm not sure if we can get the right kind of microphones we want from here. If not, I'll have to go and order something from Bangkok, but there's no point in doing that when we try here first. So let me just try anyway, see what. So I've just met Beau now, and I want to get a microphone if I can. I'm not sure if I'm going to try. And the media model on this has started playing up, so I'm going to go to somewhere to see if I can get that fixed. Not sure if I can, but if I can, it will be fantastic. But I'm having major problems with sound. Never-ending story. So we're going to go have a walk around, see if we can, and then we're going to get some food, and we're going to show the food court, because a couple of people have been asking me about that. Okay, so let's go. Hungry. This place has got pretty much everything. Since Central's been here, there's been this place that I can't pronounce correctly. It's actually meant to be fuku, but I see it as something else.
What is it?
I can't say it. It is fuku macha is the correct way. Yeah. We've been to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places. Nobody has the microphone I want for this little contraption. It's starting to annoy me now. So I think the best thing for us to do, we're just going to go and get some food from the food court, because I also wanted to see that place. So I'll go and get some food from there, and I'm going to have to order from Bangkok, I think, so it's going to take a few days to come up. It has to be done. Okay. I'll show you a few sights of the place, and then we'll go to the food court. Okay? Let's go. Now our favourite place in Central, yes, Bob?
Yay!
I've been for a while, we'll have to go again. Okay, I've had a few requests for looking at the food in the food court in Central Plaza. Now, Beau has just eaten. I'm sure she'll We're just going to walk you through and have a quick look round, and I'll show you the food that you can get at the prices you can. Very clean food, very nice food. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so here's like steaks and squid and all things, fish, ranging from 59 up to 189. But as you can see right across here, there's pretty much everything. So you could come in here and get something very, very easily if you wanted. It's quite nice. Okay, here ever popular, we have spring rolls, and they start at 60 baht. I'm not quite sure how many that's for. They look very nice actually. There's a nice big ball here. Starting at 55 baht. And we've got everything: spicy bowl, tofu soup, chicken curry, I believe that'll be, American fried rice, tom yum goong, which is like spicy shrimp soup, spicy fried catfish, pretty good. You know, so everything's there. Oh, and that's your no, that's not. No, just have a look around. There's a lot there. Yeah, so you can pretty much order anything. I'm sure we can speak a bit of English anyway, and then you can just sit in here and look at those views. Not so shabby. Oh, and if you're interested, that right up there is Khon Kaen and Isan. That's one of the main hospitals in Khon Kaen. Hopefully you'll never need it, but you never know. At least it's not far away if the food's are Okay, so if you're going to come to Central Plaza and you want to eat, well, this is the cheap place to come to. Prices starting at 40 baht, give or take, up to about 180. But I'd say averages at 50, 60 baht is probably about average, 70 maybe, which is not too bad to say in Central Plaza, and it's all freshly made. So not bad, and good, clean, wholesome food, so you're not going to go wrong at all. And then you can go and do a bit of shopping if you're so rich. But we're not going to eat here, we've decided. We're going to go out and I'm going to treat my missus, because this Saturday is actually our 13th anniversary. And I remember I met her today at the place where we very, very, very first met, our first date. So we're going to go somewhere nice Saturday. We're going to film that for you as well. I'm not going to tell you where yet, but we'll just do that. So let's go and find a restaurant and have something different. We decided we're going to go and eat at a place called, what's it actually called? Hachiban, that's the
Ramen.
one. Well, I just call it 8 noodles. I've always called it 8 noodles. Beau knows exactly what I mean by it. You'll see. Look. So, why call it Hachiban ramen when it's called 8 noodles? So, that's why I call it that. And Beau understands 100% the fact. She even calls it 8 noodles ramen. So, I know, let's go. Well, we've been to about 8 places. We've been to Banana IT, we've been to Big Camera, we've been to GIB, we've been to many, many, many of them, and nobody has the microphone I really, really, really want. So the only thing we can do, as I mentioned before, we're going to order it from Bangkok, and it might take 1 or 2 days to come, so you're going to have to put up with my terrible sound for another day or 2, but whatever. But I am going to change it for you guys, I promise you. But I'll just show you, we're coming to the 8 Noodles, as we keep calling it, which this is the menu, and it's not that expensive. To say we're in Central Plaza, yeah, it's actually really nice. I've ordered this. I always like this, and I hate this, but my missus absolutely loves it, so she'll have that. But this is really nice, really simple cup noodles, absolutely fantastic. Beau's got some other noodles, dry noodles that she always get, and we always go for these gyoza, which you can get 12 for 164 baht. Now, most normal people would just get 6 and have 3 each, but greedy people like myself will go for the big one. Because, to be honest, I don't really come to Central that often. I actually only came to see if we could get a microphone, but I had my doubts that I would anyway, but I never did. Anyway, we'll leave it now until the order comes. I will show you what I've got. See you when the food comes. They're cold. So Beau's got terribly cold noodles with seaweed. Wasabi. What's that?
Radish? I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's like the pickled radish. Yeah, and
Sure.
spring onion.
Not sure.
Yes, and spring onions. Where's that gone for? The delightful. However, the worst thing on planet Earth. The only thing I won't eat is this. That's why it's horrible. But
Thank you.
Beau doesn't mind at all. And she doesn't just get the one, she gets a plate full. Num num num. Just it's got 8. Oh. Now I've been told to do this. So you put all this in. Yeah? This is it all cold?
Yes.
Yep. Everything's cold. Oops. Now she won't touch the wasabi, which is this. So I might steal that in a minute. What do you do? Stir it up?
Yeah.
I'm always stirring it up. Okay. And then?
Dip? No. Dip the
Oh!
noodle. Dip
Take
by
a bit of noodles.
Dip it in.
Longer than that spring. Dip it right in.
Yep. And try it.
Actually, it tastes quite nice, but for me, noodles needs a bit hot, you know? Yep. A little bit of vinegar. I think you knew what the last one was chili, but it's actually not very strong chili. It's kind of like halfway between chili and paprika somehow, which you saw me buy actually today. I do like paprika. Got a nice taste. Alright, the last one's sugar. I don't touch sugar in anything. Give it a nice mix up. A little bit like me, I'm a little bit mixed up sometimes. Now, doesn't that look nicer than cold noodles? If you're going to have it, maybe not so much chili, and we save the best to last. Some awesome gyoza sauce, and lots of it. And 12 Japanese dumplings would be the best way to describe them, would you say, Bob? They are really like heavily fried on one side. They have pork and herbs on the inside, and then have this awesome gyoza sauce. I'll just wash that out of the way. one more, and this time I'll show you the inside. It's going to be quite delicate. Minced pork with herbs, and it's quite soft on one side and really heavily fried on the other. It's absolutely delicious with that sauce. And to eat like a big bowl of noodles each. Both had their 8 noodle things. It's over there. And plenty of water. 450 baht. That's actually not too bad at all. Yeah, I'm not complaining. So, to say we're in Central, it's always a little bit more expensive. Food's great, very clean, very healthy. And that's it. Anyway, I've decided now I'm going to replace the GoPro, what's it called? The mod. Yeah. Because that's starting to fail on me. And it could be that is the problem. They sell them down there for 3,400 baht. I'm going to get myself a new one because the sound is now going on this for some reason. So I'm going to go there. So we'll finish off eating here and rejoin us back over there. I'll let me know. Okay, so that just about wraps it up for today. It's been a good and a bad day today. I managed to get the media mod fixed. Apparently we needed a firmware update, and the best lady in the world at Big Camera Central fixed it for me, because I'm a bit dumb when it comes to things like that, so I can't appreciate that enough. And for the microphone, nowhere, could not find one anywhere, so I'm going to have to go home and order one tonight. But then we had a great meal, so that's about it really. My budget video is finished. I've just got a bit more editing to do, so that will be on maybe tomorrow or Friday at the latest. And then it's the big meal on Saturday that Beau doesn't even know where we're going yet. So that'll do for now. Don't forget, if you like my videos, big thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, anything you so wish, just to keep me going. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye bye.